Hello there, this is Tomek from Hugis Records, and I'd like to welcome you to this course where I will guide you through all the essential fundamentals of building your very own home studio. As you can clearly see, I am surrounded by some really fantastic equipment right here, and we will definitely be discussing all of it throughout this course. I wouldn't want you to make the same mistake that I once made, and that thousands of my students have also made, by selecting the wrong equipment, because they simply didn't know what their objective was, they didn't know what was truly worth investing in. That is why today we are going to go through everything from the very foundations to the specific goals you have for building your own home studio and the budget that you have available, so that we can choose all the components of your studio in the best way possible, which should ultimately support you, rather than having you constantly worry that, man, I might still be missing something here. That's why we'll go through all the fundamentals right here, so you can save a lot of time. Choose the ideal equipment, learn exactly what you need, and simply stop thinking about gear after this course and just start acting. Let's get straight to the specifics. To begin, I'd like to offer you an introduction to setting up a home studio, because it truly doesn't matter if you're an aspiring vocalist, a music producer, a sound engineer, or whatever your ultimate career goal might be, you will always find that a studio is essential for your work. And I'd also like to start by debunking a common myth, that we need some incredibly professional studio setup to achieve a great result or to release a hit song. This has changed quite a bit over the years, and we're actually seeing more and more frequently that these big hits are now emerging from home environments. An increasing number of people are even traveling with their equipment because they possess these kinds of sophisticated tools, allowing them to pack the entire essence of a professional studio, something we'll discuss further, into their backpack and create high-quality content from virtually any location. Therefore, right from the start, even if you have just a small room, whether it's in your bedroom or you share this space with someone else, you really must trust me that if we carefully choose the right equipment and you add your own skills to that, we can achieve a truly professional sound, even from a home studio. We don't need to think that we must emulate those grand recording studios where famous American stars record their music. We can truly achieve excellent results from a home studio. And in this course, we'll be discussing 4 fundamental pillars. The first and most important pillar is undoubtedly acoustics. It makes no difference whether you're going to be recording or if in the future you decide to invest in studio monitors. Your room's acoustics and your listening environment will always be crucial. Then there will be all the equipment that will complement this acoustic setup, including various interfaces, microphones, and other elements that will allow you to achieve your goal. And at the end, we will think about how to integrate all of this together with your specific goal, so that it truly supports you at every single stage and doesn't get in your way when you're creating, mixing, or recording your work. So, no matter what your particular goal is, this comprehensive course will clearly explain to you what the very best paths will be for you, including all the necessary purchasing options for equipment selection and your future objectives. Naturally, your purchasing decisions will also be guided by your available budget, so you can select the best equipment based on what you currently have.